So here's factorial notation, simplify this. And this is the second question. Now, to understand what factorial means, so if you have, let's say, if we have 6 factorial, it means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So basically, you're taking away 1, and then you take away 1, and then you take away 1, and then you take away 1. So for this one here is going to be n factorial. I'm just going to write n and then take away 1. And if I take away another 1, it's going to be n minus 2. And I'm going to put a factorial there over n minus 2 factorial. I stopped right here because I have n minus 2 factorial on the bottom and I want to cancel them. This gives me n minus 1. If you want to expand it, you could just write it as n squared minus n. Now for this one is a bit more challenging, so I'm going to leave it for you to do. So try it out, see if you could get it. Okay, so hopefully you all tried this and you got it right. It's a tough one, but let's see what we're going to do with this. So what are we going to do with this? I'm just going to write n factorial plus n plus 1 factorial. That's the one I'm going to expand. So it's going to be n plus 1. And after n plus 1, if we take away 1 there, it's going to be n. And you know what? I'm just going to write a factorial there. And the reason why I'm not going to go any further, because I have n factorial on the bottom. Now, if you notice, we have 2 terms. Both of them have n factorials. And we have n factorial on the bottom. We could reduce this with this and this. Except remember, you're going to have a 1 here when you reduce these two. And therefore, the answer would be 1 plus n plus 1, which gives me n plus 2. Looks tough, but it's even faster than that one. Let me know if you got it right on your attempt. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.